This time, it is a state of the start of operation after installing the signal. There are signboards and curtains under construction before operation. So remove them. In many cases, pedestrian crossings and undercutting are not possible at the construction stage. Adjust the orientation again before operation. This is how you adjust the direction of the pedestrian light. At the same time, signs are being removed and road markings are being rewritten. Work without disturbing each other. We will proceed with the work in time for the decided operation start time. The removal of the signboard attached to the traffic light is over. I'm checking the light color during construction. The flash color has also been confirmed. Here, the setting contents of the controller are confirmed again. Open the door of the controller and start operation. Switch on the blue on the main road. Now the traffic light control of this intersection has started. Road markings are almost finished. After operation, check the controller and lamp. Adjust the orientation of the insufficient light fixture again. The first operation of the day has ended. Since it is working normally, move to the next intersection. The second is a push-button signal. The position of the cross coverage changes. Here too, so as not to interfere with the road marking work. Look at the workplace and timing and work. We will wait for the operation start time after completing the work that can be done. Reconfirm the setting status and remove the signboard. This is a place where many elementary school students pass. Elementary school students will be able to cross the road safely from tomorrow. The character display of recent push buttons has changed. Did you notice that the letters have changed from red to white? This is changed to make it easier for people with color blindness to see. This video introduced the operation of traffic lights. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, contributing to society with traffic safety facilities.